5 things you should never say to a guy. Hey everyone, welcome to Cyclogy. A healthy relationship is to be able to share everything with your partner, but there are some situations in life that is much better to keep a little secret and avoid unnecessary pain. We do not mean you should cheat your partner, but sometimes keeping a secret for the welfare of the relationship is not bad. Take note of the situations you should shut up with your man. Number 1, cannot stand his family. The family is above everything, and men especially are very attached to their mother. If you cannot stand his mother, you do not need to tell him. It will only spoil your relationship. To have your partner happy, the best is to get along with his family and be reciprocal. Forget about criticizing someone of his own in his presence, and put your best attitude in every situation. And remember, you do not do it for them, for your man. Number 2, one of his friends wants to flirt with you. Trying to tell this to your partner is the worst thing you can do. At that point, all you want is to tell him how bad is his friend, but that could hurt you. Maybe your partner will not believe it and will accuse you of trying to ruin his friendship, or if he believes you, he will reproach you all day that has broken his friendship because of you. If this situation only occurs once, let it go. If repeated, take the reins and fix it by yourself. Number 3, you've been unfaithful. Although you cannot sleep if you find yourself in this situation, you must not tell him. Sincerity in this case is just one example of selfishness and wanting to relieve you of the guilt you feel. If you no longer want to be with your partner, leave him. But it was just a sleep and want to share your life with the man you are with, you better keep this secret. You will only make the other suffer and losing his confidence in you. Then the relationship will break forever. Number 4, your girlfriends don't like your partner. They should also say among you. Your friends are not obliged to accept your partner, but if they criticize him, you should never go telling him. First, because your friend thinks it will not go any further from there, and if your girlfriend knows, she will lose trust in you. On the other hand, it does not help if your man knows that when you say with your friends, you delicate yourself to criticize him. Number 5, spying on your partner. If you decide to take the plunge and spy on his stuff, you should never confess that you did it. Even if you find something that may seem suspicious, if you try to ask him something of what you've seen, your partner will feel betrayed because it shows a lack of trust. Okay guys, these were the 5 things you should never say to your boyfriend. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment and tell what you feel about this, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get a notification of my videos. Thanks for watching.